I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to come.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. Welcome back. You guys know it's time for a hair video. If you guys hear some noise that is outside, they are cutting the grass. Like every time I start a video, it's loud outside. Today I'm showing you guys a beautiful unit by UNice. Some people say UNice, some people say UNice. I'm about to show you guys a beautiful unit once again. This is their 13x4 lace. This lace is HD. It is pre-plucked. It is pre-everything, okay? So as you guys can see right out of the bag, we have some lace tape. Now I'm not really too fond of lace tape. I haven't really got into it too much to really do this right now, so we're not going to use that for the video, but I do want to try using lace tape. I don't really have much experience with it, so for that I'm not going to do it. So this is what it looks like right out of the packaging. Look how amazing that looks. It is pre-cut, pre-plucked. The lace is pre-cut, the lace is pre-plucked. So it's pre-everything for you, and it's pre-bleached, so the knots are pre-done for you. You don't have to worry about bleaching the knots. Look how amazing those knots look, and they're super small, which gives a natural hairline, a much more natural hairline. Look how amazing these curls look. Like, oh my gosh, like it looks like I took my time and curled this, but I did not have to do that, so that's a plus for me, because baby, I don't got time to be doing nothing, okay? The hair seems really soft right out of the package. It's bouncy, and it's not like, you know how you get a body wave wig and it's just a body wave, it's just waves, so you have to go over that and curl it for real. But no, this is actually curled. Like, so I love that this is not a natural, a regular type of body wave texture unit. This is a 3D body wave. So baby, they give you the whole full curl styled. So this is the construction. Like I said, this is their 13x4 unit. So you get a lot of room of lace. You get a full lace around your entire hairline in front. Here it does come on both sides of the ear tabs. It does come with the lace tape. So I will be using it since it does come with it on and ready to go. And then right here you have your band, which is very good because it definitely secures it, okay? And you can adjust it. This is stretchy and soft, comfortable to fit. Now in the back here, this is their new drawstring. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use this. This actually gives much more comfort to the unit, even more comfort. This is something new that they created, which I really love. I like the fact that they created this because y'all know how wigs can slip or it can bulge up. Like, I really feel like this is going to help with all of that. So I do not have to cut anything. I can just really just throw this on and we can see how this is looking. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Also, y'all still get your adjustable straps in the back. So you got double secureness. You have your adjustable straps, the drawstring, and the band. Like, baby, your wig ain't going nowhere. So let me go ahead and adjust my straps and then we can get right into it. So there is comfortability ear to ear. I don't have to cut no extra lace. So like literally I don't have to cut anything. It's definitely comfortable on both sides. So that's a plus. We love that. I love the curls that it comes with, baby. Look, ready to wear for me. So you guys see that it comes with that elastic drawstring, which I am super impressed about. It comes with a lot of secureness. You have your band, you have your adjustable strap, and you have the elastic drawstring in the back. I am going to show you guys that in a minute. But I do see that there's no bulkiness in the front. So it's kind of made like a glueless wig. So I'm not going to use any glue. What I am going to do is I'm just going to use a little bit of spray, and I'm going to use right here where the, you know, where my ear tab is. I'm going to take this lace tape off and actually use it to lay down the ends right here. So I don't know how they measured this out to be perfect, but like it's perfect where I don't have to cut no lace. And you know, sometimes you have to cut lace to make it fit for you.
Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
Look how good that lays down on its own, y'all. Like, I'm putting down a little bit of holding spray, and this not even an adhesive glue or adhesive spray. This is just holding spray, and it works really, really good for like my glueless wigs, just for some extra secureness. So
Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
just giving my hair some extra shine. I'm going to use this on top of the hair and then just take the rest all throughout. This helps with flyaways and everything like that too. So just putting this on top, it gives it a nice crisp. Just got my hair done, leaving the beauty salon, you know. And I'm using my Tresemme holding spray for the flyaways too on top. While I'm waiting for these curlers to basically get hot, I'm going to show you guys what the back look like as far as the drawstring, and how you can secure the back, how you can, you know, make your wig feel more secure with this new drawstring that they created. And this is the drawstring, okay? So it's super stretchy and super easy to do. And you can just go ahead and just tuck the string in once you're done. And I feel like with this you can do a high up ponytail and nobody would know, because it just looks so clean under there. The look of it just looks very clean, and I can say my hair feels way more secure when from me doing that. Like, I thought I felt secure, but no, this feels extra secure. So now that I've shown that, I'm gonna go ahead and make some layers right now, and then start curling the front only. Like I told you guys, I'm only curling the front of the hair because I feel like everything else is good. I'm just restyling just a little bit. Like, the hair comes in beautiful curls, it don't need nothing else, but I feel like I just want to make a little bit of some shaping in the front, and the layers is always going to do it. You see how amazing that looks? I low-key don't have to curl my hair. I don't need to do anything now that I just did that layer. It kind of just came together. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. You guys can see the difference. Okay, as you guys can see, baby, she is gorgeous. She is giving very much grown. She is giving much grown and sexy, independent. I got my own business. I got my own. That's what she's giving. I got my own, okay? That was no need for baby hairs, baby. Look, we are, I am slowly stopping to do baby hairs depending on the look. I decided not to do baby hairs because I just think the hairline is not overly plucked. The hairline is plucked perfectly, and that's one thing I do like. When I say plucked perfect, I don't feel like I have to go in and, you know, fix some areas. Like, as far as the plucking goes, amazing. The density, great. The length on her is a 24-inch, which is perfect. You know, it's still long, it's not overly too long, but this length to me just gives very, like, mature, very mature. I love this a lot. I cannot wait to do other styles with it. I love the color. It's giving like a natural black. It looked like it's a 1B, but I'm pretty sure this is probably like a natural brown. I could be wrong. Of course, I'll have all of the details of this hair down below. And like I did say, I do love elastic drawstring that they newly created with this unit. I love it. I have very much sense of secureness. I do feel like I can wear this in, you know, a ponytail in the back. You know, wouldn't be bulky, because if you was to do a ponytail with a regular unit that doesn't have like the elastic drawstring like this one, it will definitely come with that bulk in the back. You will see the combs, you will see the comb in the back, you will see your adjustable bands in the back. Like, it'll just be, you know, it will be a whole peak in the back, and you will definitely see your wig cap and everything. So that's another thing too that I've noticed. A lot of units that doesn't have this in the back, the elastic drawstring, sometimes your units can run really big, or sometimes even when you use your adjustable straps in the back, you still have that bulkiness and it feels like your wig is big. Baby, you don't see that with this. Where is that? There's no bulkiness. You don't see behind my wig, through my wig. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, some wigs, even if it's not big, even if your wig is not oversized, when that does happen with my wigs, it just feels so uncomfortable, and like I feel like somebody else can see it. And sometimes you can see it when you look in the mirror. You can see that your wig is like literally open in the back. Like, we don't like that. So if I'm swinging my hair left to right, or I'm in the gym, or no matter what I'm doing, if I'm doing a little something, you know what I'm saying, you know, grown folks do, you won't be embarrassed by your wig literally flipping off, because a lot of wigs does that. We don't have enough secureness in the back. But shout out to UNice for doing this, because now I have that extra security. So if I am running, if you are an athlete, if you know you're really busy, active, you're bending over, no matter what you do, this could be work related, your wig will not lift in the back. I'm telling you, watch this. No lifting. No lifting. Nothing showing. Nothing showing, baby. You can move where you want to move, and nothing is going to happen, baby. You're in good hands. Your wig is locked. Don't nobody know nothing. You don't see a track. You don't see no nothing. Love this new thing that they're doing. So definitely a great invention. Like I said, this is a pre-everything wig. You don't have to do nothing. You barely have to style anything. It comes styled for you. So can't get no better than that. I will definitely take advantage of the Black Friday sale that's going on right now. So make sure that you click that link down below, and the full description of the exact one I have will be listed down below. I love you, baby dolls. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.